Hello guys, welcome back for another question from the chapter integral functions, and let us see what do we have to integrate in this question. So we have to integrate sine raised to the power 4 x and we have to integrate it with respect to dx. So this is a pretty good question. The difficulty level is not in the integration part. The difficulty lies in the simplification of sine raised to the power 4x. So let me show you first how to simplify this thing. Always remember that it is better to convert the trigonometric terms to the linear degrees. What I mean by linear degrees, that here we have the degree of our expression as 4. So it is always better to convert this integrand to the degree of 1. That is, we should get something like cos x or cos kx or sin kx or tan kx, but not with the powers, that is sin square x. This is pretty the integrand becomes pretty difficult with the square terms and the terms with the more powers. So let me show you how to convert this thing. First of all, you need to remember an identity, that is cos of 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, which is again equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. So we can see that sine square x is actually equal to 1 minus cos of 2x divided by 2. Now if we square both the sides, that is, if we square on the LHS, make it sine raised to the power 4x, then we again square it on the right hand side. So what we get? We get something as this thing. Sine raised to the power 4x can be written as 1 by 4 into 1 minus cos 2x raised to the power 2. Now what? Then we open the square and we get 1 plus cos square 2x minus 2 cos 2x. Now you see clearly that 2 out of the 3 terms are in the linear degree. That is, this is linear, but this is not linear yet. We have to make it linear. So how do we do it? We again take the help from this equation. Let me show you how to do it. Let me erase this part. Okay, so our identity was cos of 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, or cos square x is equal to cos 2x plus 1 divided by 2. Now what? We have cos square 2x here, and here we have x. So we simply replace x by 2x everywhere. So we get cos square 2x as half of 1 plus cos 4x. Now this term also is simplified to the linear degrees. Simplifying the whole expression, we get 3 by 8 plus cos 4x by 8 minus cos 2x by 2. Now this is our simplified integrand where all the terms are in the linear degrees. Now moving to the next slide. Okay, sorry for the interruption. So now we have 3 by 8 dx, 1 by 8 of integration cos 4x minus half, and the integration of cos 2x. Now the integration of cos x is sin x. You already know that. So integration of cos 4x will be sin 4x by 4. How 32 comes? 4 into 8. This is actually 4 into 8. And integration of cos 2x will be sin 2x divided by 2. So how this 4 comes? This 2 and sin 2x by 2. So that is it. That is our final answer. So now I hope you all got it. Thank you. Have a nice day.